Okay, God has spoken, small g. NASA, government, finally come out and tell you, hey, the moon's wobbling. Did you know the moon is wobbling? Causing flooding, climate change. You didn't know that? You know, man made the moon wobble? You didn't know we're responsible for that? Come on, everybody. You really need to know that the moon is wobbling. They're just coming out and telling you this. I've been talking about this since 2010, and I noticed it. It's rocking and rolling, baby. Here's another headline. Who's this from? CBS News. NASA predicts a wobble in the moon's orbit may lead to record flooding. It already is, folks. It already is. Who else is putting up? Who's this? Al Jazeera. Wow, even they know about it. Moon wobble, rising seas to cause flooding, surge, NASA study says. It's happening. That's what this whole climate change is about. It's been happening since 2010. Since 2010, folks. And I talked about it. It just so happens on the 6th of July. And let's see what I said.
All right, end of the world. Planet X, Nibiru. Well, guess what, folks? They're here. They're in the area. And I noticed 2010 when the moon phases were totally whacked and the moon is rocking and rolling. And you don't even know that because, well, God didn't tell you. God is the media and the politicians and the government.
And NASA.
They hide all this, but anyway.
Yep, there you go. So, you know, I've been trying to talk to people about things, and I get laughed at. Well, I'm justified now, verified, I'm bona fide, certified, I know what I'm talking about. You people don't know how to look at the moon. I'm sorry, but I can't even talk to people anymore because they don't know what the moon's supposed to look like. I learned that in elementary school, maybe preschool, I don't know. It was like, it's just basic information you should know, and Americans don't know. Y'all brainwash. If God doesn't say it, it ain't true. Well, guess what? God is now coming out and saying, here's NPR. Study predicts record flooding in the 30s, and it's partly because of the moon. Oh, yeah, man really, we caused the moon to rock. Yeah, that's it. Wake up, people. There's large bodies in the solar system that are causing a magnetic pull on every planet. It's heating up all the planets and the sun and earth from the inside out and the outside in. Ain't got nothing to do with man. They're lying to you. Liars. Now they're telling you the truth, but they don't tell you why it's rocking. I just did. Been telling you.